Everyone, so this is 5:30 makeup check, and today I'm going to teach you how I contour my face, okay, for the daily office makeup. If in case my face is looking slightly fuller, or if it been, like looking slightly round if I'm not taking a proper sleep. So currently on my face, there is no translucent powder, just a basic makeup which is under 10 minutes. I will definitely going to make a tutorial very soon for the daily office makeup that stays throughout. So there is no translucent powder, no makeup fixer, just a pure concealer along with a slight tint of blush. And let's start with a contour tutorial. So guys, kindly, adjust with the lighting because I am trying to shoot this video in the natural room light, okay? I am in a very different direction altogether. So just manage it, okay? So what you need to do, there are two things. Either you can take the fluffy brush, otherwise you can take the beauty blender, whichever option suits you the best. Now, for the contour, you need to ensure that you are taking the shade which is 2 shades darker than your natural skin tone, okay? Do not take, way too dark shade, otherwise it will give the face very intense earthy look. So that is something we do not have to do. So we need to take the small amount of contour, then just take it, just apply here on the back of your hand, and then just put on the region where your cheekbones are actually present, like a literal cheekbones, okay? Just put up the slight dab, not way too much, very light strokes we need to put. So just do dab, okay? Let me show you. Now you just need to dab it like this. Can you see the difference? Okay, so you need to blend it very smoothly. Now coming up to the other side of the face, just repeat the process and trust the process, guys. Okay, now just take the slight amount of contour and just apply near your jawline, okay? We do not have to intensify, otherwise the face will look way too dark. Now just start blending it downwards very gently. So once you are done with this process, take the leftover contour and just apply here towards your nose bridge. No dark shadows, just the mild dab like this. Last and the final step, take your damn beauty blender and then simply blend it like this, okay? You can see how beautifully this one got blend. So no harsh line, just a very gentle dab process, and now you can see that the contour done right. So I hope this tutorial helped, and right after applying the contour, blush, everything, you need to take a gentle amount of translucent or the banana powder. Otherwise you can take the compact as well, whichever option suits you the best. Lock your makeup with the powder product, then apply the makeup fixer. So I hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching. Stay connected and stay blessed.